So guys, the iPhone Fold could be Apple's most revolutionary iPhone ever. But how much of it is actually real? Today, we're verifying the latest leaks using trusted sources like MacRumors and reports from Mark Gurman. Let's start with the biggest upgrade, the design. According to multiple reports, Apple is working on a book-style foldable iPhone with a 7.8-inch inner display and a smaller outer screen for regular use. But here's the key detail. Apple is heavily focused on creating a nearly crease-free display, which could solve one of the biggest problems with current foldables. If this actually happens, it could be a major breakthrough in foldable technology. Now, let's talk about the hinge and build quality. Leaks suggest Apple may use a titanium frame combined with a liquid metal hinge, designed to improve durability and reduce wear over time. This is important because durability has been a major concern with foldable phones. Apple is known for refining hardware before launching new categories, so expectations here are extremely high. Performance is another major area. Reports suggest the iPhone Fold could run on a next-generation A20 chip, optimized for multitasking and efficiency. Since foldables are used like mini tablets, Apple is expected to bring iPad-style multitasking features, allowing users to run multiple apps side by side for the first time on an iPhone. This could completely change how people use iPhones for productivity. Now, let's move to cameras. Unlike traditional Pro models, the iPhone Fold is expected to use a dual or triple camera setup, focusing more on software optimization and AI photography, rather than extreme hardware upgrades. There are also rumors of an under-display front camera on the inner screen, which would give a more immersive, full-screen experience. Battery is another big upgrade. Reports suggest a large 5000 mAh battery, which would be the biggest ever in an iPhone. Combined with Apple's efficiency improvements, this could deliver strong battery life despite the large foldable display. However, exact battery performance is still unknown. Now, here's an important change: security. Instead of Face ID, leaks suggest Apple may use Touch ID in the side button, mainly due to space limitations inside the foldable design. While this might seem like a downgrade, they could actually be more practical for a foldable device. Let's talk about pricing and launch. Most reports suggest the iPhone Fold could cost between $2,000 and $2,500, making it Apple's most expensive iPhone ever. As for launch timing, leaks point to late 2026, but some reports say delays are possible due to production challenges, especially with the display technology. Guys, subscribe the Upgrade Zone for upcoming real updates.